Time for your exclusive CBS 2 forecast. Let's bring in Elise Finch right now. A lot to talk about with Dorian. Of course, we've been talking about that the last few days. And of course, now we can expect a little rain, totally unrelated, here today.
Yeah, so unrelated rain today, possibly related rain later in the week. So yeah, it's a little bit of everything going on today. And yeah, we do need to be concerned with Dorian's movement now that it is finally on the move. You take a look over my shoulder, some blue skies, a little bit of cloud cover. We are looking at a pretty decent day. We'll call it partly sunny right now, 78 degrees. The winds are variable at 7 miles per hour. The relative humidity is at 69%. Still up, though, from where it was yesterday, so you'll probably feel that if you step out the door. As far as pollen is concerned, ragweed is very high today, and mold is very high today. So if those are triggers for you as an allergy sufferer, could be a little bit of a rough day. Weeds are moderate. Now, your vortex satellite and radar showing a couple things. Higher pressure dominating right now, but you start to see a little bit of activity for some of our northern suburbs. And then, of course, you head north of that. We're seeing some showers and some thunderstorms. This is developing out in advance of a cold front. So there's a couple things that we are going to be impacted by over the next couple of days. The first is this cold front, and that moves through today. So some shower and thunderstorm activity expected in the tri-state area, so this afternoon and tonight. At the same time, we are watching Dorian that's finally on the move. First up, let's talk about the northern piece of this. So this is the activity associated with the cold front. This is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We start to see some things firing up. We continue to watch it push across the area 5, 6, 7 o'clock tonight. So you'll want to grab that umbrella as you head out the door. At the same time, we're watching Hurricane Dorian. It is a Category 2 storm with maximum sustained winds of 105 miles per hour, finally on the move here, moving northwest at 9 miles per hour. But on this track, I want to show you one particular futurecast model that shows it unfolding this way, making landfall in North Carolina late on Thursday. Now, the track is still uncertain, but according to this particular model, and you can see it's still a hurricane as it continues its push north. And then take a look. This is Friday in our area, and you can see that we're getting quite a bit of rain out of that system. Now, the front that's moving through today, the tail end of that does serve to sort of nudge Dorian out to sea, but we're still going to see some rain and easily gusts to 45 miles per hour. So we're warm and humid today, 86 degrees, showers and thunderstorms. Tomorrow, much cooler behind the front, the high 75. Friday, we're watching Dorian, but clouds, rain, wind, count on it before we head into what's going to be another beautiful weekend.